Nestled on the corner of Broadway and 8th Street in downtown Los Angeles, the Tower Theater finds new life as the Apple Tower store. Apple took great care to repair the facade and interior of the location, including installing a replica tower cap to restore the building to its prior glory. Prior to Apple's purchase, the location was primarily closed to the public. The Tower Theater was completed in 1927 and was the first movie place in downtown wired for sound films. It's gone by other names as it's aged and changed hands, from newsreel to music hall, and now, Apple Tower. In 2018, Apple revealed the plan to preserve and restore the Tower Theater. While the building is not used for theatrical purposes, there is hope that by repairing and protecting the location, Apple will preserve the building so that one day it can return to its roots. Until then, guests of the Apple Tower can receive all of their traditional Apple Store needs while appreciating the beauty and glory of this historic building. If you love historic buildings and beautiful architecture, then make sure to stop by the Apple Tower in downtown Los Angeles.